3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Gail Sheree here. Today we're doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from last year, from 2024, and we're in 2025 now. But my dad and my brother helped me out with this unboxing. Say hey to my brother. Hey. I wanted to get better at cleaning. Well, not even getting better at cleaning, be a little bit more effective with cleaning my bathroom and certain parts of the walls and stuff. So I wanted to get myself one of these electric cleaners. Well, my brother actually encouraged me to get one for the household, so we got one for the household, and now we're unboxing it to show you how it looks. So let's get into it. So the name of this cleaner is the Bien electric spin scrubber. You know, on Amazon them names go long, so I'm not going through the rest of the name. So my brother was showing the instruction manual. He is he's doing the most but he's now showing the different scrubbers. We have started to use the one that is green. It's like what's the name of that thing again? Right, so it's like a Scotch Brite that you use in the kitchen. Well, you use Scotch Brite elsewhere, but mainly in the kitchen. It's really good. It's really good. Like, it polishes, so that's a good thing. He's gonna continue taking out all the scrubbers. Then he's gonna show you the handles for the electric scrub brush, and then the main section for the scrub brush, and then he's gonna put it together, and I'll be right back. I do hope you're enjoying the unboxing video so far. Look how cool that cleaner is. It's black, the LED lights are white, and he's just going to show how you can adjust the top part so that you can get into different areas when you're cleaning. It took us a little bit of time to figure out how to turn it on. We thought it was dead but we're like, no, most times when you get appliances they're charged, but ended up that we have to press on the button for about 5 seconds before it turns on. There is also a button on the extended handle that you can press. For instance, you are doing hard to reach areas, you can press that and turn on the cleaner, and you can also press it and turn off the cleaner. You still would have to press for 5 seconds, and then it turns on, and 5 seconds it turns off, which is a very good, because if you're in hard to reach areas, you don't want to always having to go all the way down to the main cleaner to turn it off. So right here he is just finding ways to attach both sections, and it's very powerful. I'll let you hear that later down in the video, but it's a powerful machine. So let's get back to it. If you have made it this far, my beautiful people, thank you so much for staying tuned to our unboxing. We are adding some of the different scrubbers. It's just a really nice brush. So other than being a nice brush, it's also sturdy. The attachments stay on even when we are trying to clean the floor. It stays on very well. So you can hear how powerful it is. Initially I thought it wasn't so powerful, but the more you let it stay on is the stronger it gets. My beautiful, beautiful people, we're almost at the end. Here I am unboxing my new Bagasin laptop pouch or laptop bag. Listen, my previous laptop bag needed to go. It was time for it to go. So I have a MacBook Pro, the 15.5 inch. So I needed a really nice laptop bag where I could carry it to work or carry it when I'm on the road, and it is well protected. This laptop bag has a lot of pockets. It has padding. Not that you should drop your laptop, but it has padding. It's just really nice. My dad is the videographer. Shout out to you, Daddy. And let's get into it. We are at the end of the video, beautiful people. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bless.